Ahoy there! Today I would love to show you a very easy to assemble overhead video recording rig. Welcome back. I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam, an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai, India. These days of the COVID crisis, I am engaged in recording videos on do-it-yourself products, construction of rigs, teleprompters, teleprompter hoods, and my goal is to also to guide teachers and doctors communicate better with their students and patients. In this video I am going to show you how you can create or assemble an overhead video recording rig in less than a minute. This is provided that you have the requirements at home. It needs two mini light stands. Not many of you may be having the mini light stands, but you can make one out of PVC, and I've just shown you a method of how you can assemble PVC pipes to make an overhead recording rig. So this is for those people who have got light stands at home, and assuming that you've got light stands, you might also be having these kind of clips. These are basically clips to hold the backdrop on the backdrop stand. Like, you know, if you want to suspend a green curtain or a white backdrop or something, these are very handy to hold the curtain at the sides of the stand. So these would be useful. So these would clamp on to the top of the light stand like that, the tip on both sides, and then when they are holding it there, they form a very stable construct. They are not going to let go, and in the cradle like or the pulley like portion of the upper end of the clip, this is the lower end, at the upper end of the clip, there are two. You can place a metal rod, a hollow metal rod. This is a hollow metal rod which is from a wardrobe. So I just place it at one end like that and the other end like that, and now we've got a stable construct. In the center of this construct I would attach a mini super clamp, and the mini super clamp will have a 1/4 inch thread to which a phone clamp can be screwed on. So this is a very easy method of overhead rig assembly. It can be done in less than a minute. All you have to do is stretch out the light stands, open them out, clamp the tip of the light stands with these two clips, place this rod, and then you are done. What I've got in front of me are two mini light stands, one here and one here. They've been just spread apart, and at the top of these light stands I have clipped on two backdrop clips at the top of both the light stands, and across it over there you can see what the rod over there, that is just a rod from a wardrobe. It's a hollow metal cylindrical rod, and it is just lying in the cradle provided by the backdrop clamps, and that's it. And in the center you can see a mini super clamp. This rig can be placed on a table, and it can hold a phone holder comfortably. This rig can be kept on a table or on a floor and can be used for overhead recording. It doesn't take more than 1 minute to assemble, because these two lights are already there in my possession, and I have to just spread it open, clamp the clips over the top of the light stands and place the rod over there, and then screw the mini super clamp over it, and that's it, you're done. So if you're looking to create a overhead video recording rig in less than a minute, then this solution is for you. It is available anywhere. You don't have to do any purchase. I already had the super clamp in my possession, and I'm making full use of it. I have made several videos on overhead video recording rigs, and this would be one of the simpler ones. There is one video with 8 different methods, and I did allude to this kind of a thing in that video. You can see that video up here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC, and after subscribing, press the notification icon so that you will be notified when I make a video like this in future. Take care, good luck, good health, and peace be with you. Cheers.